Buckling length calculator for columns in buildings as per guidelines Access Steel-SN008A-PL-EU. A group of internal columns for which buckling length coefficients will be determined. Design and verification type definition window for internal columns before running the buckling length calculator. Buckling length calculator window for the selected internal column, saving the results to the member design and verification definition. Design and verification type definition window for internal columns after running the buckling length calculator.